People in Judah know God. People in Israel respect His name. His temple is in Salem. His house is on Mount Zion.
There He shattered the arrows and shields, the swords and weapons of war.
God, You are glorious, returning from the hills of victory. You are awesome, oh God. No one can stand against You. You are awesome, oh God. All the earth is silent before You. They thought they were strong, now they lie in the fields, stripped of all they own, unable to defend themselves.
The God of Jacob spoke in power, chariots and horses fell still.
God, You are awesome. No one can stand in Your anger. You are awesome, oh God. No one can stand against You. You are awesome, oh God. All the earth is silent before You. You stood as judge and declared Your decision. You saved the humble people of the land. From heaven Your voice was heard. The earth grew silent in fear. Even human anger turns to honor in Your hands. You are awesome, oh God. No one can stand against You. You are awesome, oh God. All the earth is silent before You. People, keep Your promises. Give to the Lord your God. Let all bring gifts before Him with fear and reverence.
God brings down the mighty, kings of the earth stand in awe.